be showing you how I make Hvshi Noir's new Nature's Elixir all-in-one oil. Nature's Elixir all-in-one oil is more than skincare. It's a restorative luxury in a bottle, delivering visible results with the purest botanicals nature has to offer. I know that you're probably wondering why all of our products have a corally or peachy tint, and it comes from 3 of our main powerhouse ingredients. The first one being botanicals oil, and that is a plant-based retinol alternative. It does a lot of things, but the main things that it does is it fades fine lines, evens skin tone, and smooths the texture of your skin. It's even gentle on the most sensitive skin. The second one being botanicals oil. It's super thick, super red. It kind of resembles blood in a sense. It's antioxidant rich. It nourishes the skin, reduces redness and scars, and it keeps the skin firm and youthful. The third being xanthan oil. It is a super antioxidant. It protects from UV rays, it boosts hydration in the skin, and it keeps skin elastic and radiant. From softening fine lines and wrinkles to fading scars, both old and new, and evening out skin tone, this is a lightweight yet intensive treatment that works like nature's own remedy. Applied to the scalp, it supports healthy hair growth and nourishes strands, making it a true multi-purpose luxury essential. Hvshi Noir's Nature Elixir Body Oil is a luxurious, all-in-one miracle oil crafted to restore, repair, and rejuvenate skin and hair, naturally and powerfully. It's made with a potent blend of 100% all-natural, nutrient-rich oils. This is literally a high-end, unscented formula, and it's designed to absorb deeply, delivering hydration, healing, and protection from within. Key benefits include healing and softening scar tissue, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, promoting hair growth and scalp health, evening skin tone and refining texture, deeply hydrating and nourishing dry, damaged skin, and it's 100% natural and unscented, perfect for those with sensitive skin. The feel is silky and it's fast absorbing. Nature's Elixir Body Oil glides effortlessly over the skin, leaving it soft, radiant, and deeply nourished. It's never greasy. It has a breathable finish and locks in moisture while allowing your skin to thrive. Thank you for watching.